Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior with 7 seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done 8,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.